Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk through how to allow notifications for channels on the Telegram app on your PC. If you've noticed that you're not getting updates or alerts from your favorite Telegram channels, this quick guide will help you fix that in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. You can do this either from the desktop shortcut or by searching for Telegram in your applications list. Once the app is open and your account is loaded, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. Click on them to open the main menu. From this menu, choose Settings. This section controls how your Telegram app behaves, from your privacy settings to your notifications. When you're inside Settings, look for the option labeled Notifications and Sounds and click on it. In this menu, you'll see different types of notifications you can manage, like messages, groups, and channels. Scroll until you find the Channels section. If the toggle for channels is turned off, you won't receive any alerts or notifications from the channels you follow. To start getting those updates again, simply enable it by turning the switch on. Once you switch it on, Telegram will now send you notifications whenever a channel you're subscribed to posts new content. You can also customize the type of alerts you receive, such as sounds, pop-ups, or message previews. Adjust these options based on how you like to be notified. And that's it. You've successfully allowed channel notifications on the Telegram app for your PC. Now, you'll never miss an important post, news update, or community announcement from your favorite Telegram channels. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy app guides.